दिल्ली में तशद्दुद मामले को लेकर कांग्रेस का वफ्द राष्ट्रपति भवन पहुंचा। वफ्द ने सदर जमहूरिया राम नाथ कोविंद से मुलाकात की और उन्हें मेमोरेंडम सौंपा। इस वफ्द में सोनिया गांधी, डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह और गुलाम नबी आज़ाद समेत कई सीनियर लीडरान शामिल रहे। कांग्रेस ने शुमाल मशरक़ी दिल्ली में हुए तशद्दुद पर तशवीश का इजहार किया। मुलाकात के बाद मीडिया से बातचीत में सोनिया गांधी ने कहा कि बरवक्त कार्रवाई न होने के सबब फसाद का सिलसिला दराज हुआ।
We will take cognizance of what we have said in our letter, in our memorandum.
The President has kept quiet, madam, so far, and he has not yet even tweeted an appeal for calm.
Well, it's not for me to comment on that. He has assured us that he will look at the issue, and we felt fairly satisfied.
That what has happened in the last 4 days in the national capital of India is a matter of deep concern and is also a matter of national shame. That 34 persons at least have died, over 200 people have been injured, is a reflection on the total failure of the central government to control the situation. And we requested the President to use his power to call upon the central government to protect and preserve its Raj Dharma, and so that the citizens of this country and this national capital are assured of peace, tranquility and justice.